Hi guys, so today I'm going to walk you through setting up a WordPress blog. First, go ahead and open any internet browser. I'm using Firefox, but anyone should work, and then type in wordpress.com in the search bar. You want to make sure it's wordpress.com rather than wordpress.org. And so go ahead and click on that link there. The homepage should look like this, so you know you're in the right place. And then go ahead and click on sign up in the upper right hand corner. And so you can go ahead and answer some questions about what you would like the content of your blog to be. There will be questions about formatting here in just a second. So I'm going to select food and drink, and then here's the formatting options in terms of just layout of your blog and your homepage. Now, since I already have a WordPress blog, I'm going to go ahead and click the login button, and it just asks you for your email and your password, which you will set up when you first register if you haven't already. And then it takes you to sort of this dashboard feed page with posts from other people's sites, and I'm going to go click on My Sites in the upper left-hand corner. I'll scroll down to the bottom of my list of sites and click Add a New Blog. And then what do I want the theme to be? I think I'll just select the family, home, and lifestyle one, just for the sake of the tutorial. And then it brings me to this page where I can select the layouts again. So there's the general blog layout, which is to your posts on the home page. This one displays sort of an intro welcome page, and then this one would be like a grid layout of posts. So I'm going to select the one in the middle, and then it comes up with a small selection of themes that you can choose from. You can go ahead and change the theme later on, so nothing is set in stone, and there are actually more options later on. But for now, I'm just going to go with this one. And then it takes you to the domain page. I recommend thinking of a domain name before you get to this step, but because I feel like no one's going to claim this Carly's Tutorial blog name before I do, and there it is, it's going to be ready and available for me to select. Now you can select from free, personal, premium, and business options. I recommend the free, and that's what we're going to do for the sake of today's tutorial as well. I've actually only ever used the free versions. You won't have to type in your credit card information or anything like that. So there, it's finished, and there's my blog. You can see that it's still in template format. I obviously did not write any of those things on the screen, and none of those photos are my own. But it gives you a good starting place and something to work with. You can always go back and change the information that is on this page. None of it's permanent. And there's my blog title up at the top, just like the URL. So yeah, just kind of exploring around the page. Here's the menu tab. There's an about page that's been set up. There's a blog page. You can always add or remove pages in the future. And you can also change the layout. So if you choose for it to start with this sort of intro page layout, you can always go back and change it and say you want it to start with your posts or with your about page instead as the home page. So that's all. Thanks for watching.